Imagine a contact center that doesn't just handle calls, but actually learns and gets better with every conversation. That's what Talkdesk offers, a true leader in contact center software. Ranked #1 in over 25 G2 reports and backed by more than 1,600 five-star reviews. I'm Prince Rich with RTG Contact Center Solutions, and in today's video, we're taking an in-depth look at Talkdesk Contact Center. We'll explore what Talkdesk is, review its major features offered in 2026, take a look at supported hardware, break down pricing, and walk through the pros and cons so you can decide if it works for your team. Before we get started, can you help me by subscribing to our channel? Subscribing to our channel is absolutely free, and most importantly, it helps us grow our audience so that viewers, just like you, can find the information they are looking for. As you know, the call center phone systems technology landscape can be very intimidating and downright confusing. My hope is that these videos help simplify this information and the selection process for as many viewers as possible. What is Talkdesk? Talkdesk is a cloud-native contact center platform designed to simplify how businesses connect with their customers and support teams. It blends traditional telephony with digital channels like chat, email, and social media. Powered by Ascend AI, Talkdesk delivers tailored conversations and proactive support. So, let's talk about what the Talkdesk Contact Center brings to the table. First off, it comes packed with powerful features like handling conversations across different channels, routing calls intelligently, and a user-friendly IVR system that's easy to design and manage. You also get real-time agent assist, automatic call summaries, interaction analytics, sentiment analysis, knowledge management tools, and performance dashboards for your contact center team. On top of that, there are calling features like screen and call recording, monitoring and coaching tools, callback scheduling, delegation menus, E911 support, and even global PSTN reach. Now, here's where it gets even more exciting. Hey, before we move on, I'm assuming the reason you're watching this video is because you're searching for contact center service for your sales agents, team members, or call center. I want to remind you about our free consulting service to help you figure out which contact center service is best for you. We represent all the major contact center service providers in the USA, and we're paid by referrals only, so our consulting service is absolutely free. If you'd like my help, all you have to do is visit our website at www.rtgcallcentersolutions.com, and you can request help from my team and I via our Contact Us page. Filling out the form is super easy and takes less than a couple of minutes. So, if you're looking for new contact center service for your business, we can help. A link to our website is also in the description below this video. Some of the newer AI-driven features, like Talkdesk AI agents, really stand out. Basically, their AI can handle routine tasks like appointment scheduling and account lookups without needing any human agents. The interaction analytics tool taps into advanced speech and language models to detect trends and sentiment across thousands of calls. And then there's the automatic call summary tool, which uses generative AI to whip up concise recaps after each interaction. Meanwhile, real-time agent assist helps your team by giving useful tips and info during calls, which is super helpful for teams working from home. Talkdesk runs mainly in your browser, but if your team prefers using real desk phones, no problem. It supports them too, and even Talkdesk's own certified desk phone bundles. All right, let's break down Talkdesk's plans and pricing. To start with the pricing, Talkdesk offers both Experience Cloud Editions, which are industry-specific, and CX Cloud Editions. First up, we've got the CX Cloud Digital Essentials plan. It's priced at $85 per month per user and includes all the basics: Talkdesk Ascend AI, email, chat, SMS, social media messaging, API access, real-time dashboards, business intelligence tools, the conversational mobile app, and quality management features. Next in line is the CX Cloud Voice Essentials plan, coming in at $105 per month per user. This one builds on the Digital Essentials plan by adding voice engagement, studio functions, a workspace designer, 70+ out-of-the-box integrations, and access to over 100 apps on the App Connect marketplace. And then, for teams that need the full package, there's the CX Cloud Elite plan. It's priced at $165 per month per user and includes custom reporting, workforce management tools, performance dashboards, plus optional add-ons like an outbound predictive dialer and real-time agent assist. Now, if you're in a regulated or specialized industry like healthcare, finance, or government, Talkdesk also offers Experience Cloud plans. These come with vertical-specific features like compliant chatbots and domain-trained AI agents designed for your unique needs. And here's a powerful stat. Talkdesk reports that customers using their cloud platform have seen a 98% reduction in wait times and 24% cost savings in their contact center operations. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of Talkdesk Contact Center. Starting with the positives, Talkdesk has a clean, easy-to-use interface that makes navigation simple for both agents and managers. The AI tools, like call summaries and agent assist, save valuable time after every call. Their interaction analytics helps teams quickly identify customer pain points. Also, Talkdesk's customer support is top-rated. They even won the 2025 Excellence in Customer Service Award. Plus, scaling with Talkdesk is effortless since there's no need for servers or a complex setup. Now, for the downsides, while Talkdesk offers tons of features, reporting can get a little tricky and may need someone with experience to manage it. The basic plans don't include key tools like chat or workforce management, and the price can jump quickly once you upgrade or add extra features. And even though Talkdesk supports IP phones, the focus is clearly on browser-based use, which can make managing physical devices a bit of a hassle. Overall, Talkdesk Contact Center 2026 stands out as a powerful platform that blends AI, automation, and flexibility. It's built for customer-focused teams that want to scale fast, onboard easily, and deliver great service from day one. Based on what we covered, would you consider switching to Talkdesk? Or are you sticking with your current solution, and why? Drop a comment below. I go through every single one and try to make better content based on your feedback. Again, if you haven't done so already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button to help us get this information to as many viewers like you as possible. Also, if you found this video helpful or insightful, hit that like button right now and feel free to let us know your opinion about today's topic in the comments below. This is Prince Rich with RTG Call Center Solutions, and I'll see you again in the next video.